how to change the device you're sharing location from on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the device you're sharing your location from on your iPhone. Whether you're switching to a new phone, iPad, or even a computer, this is a quick and easy process. Let's dive right in. First, open the Find My app on the device that you want to start sharing your location from. It could be a new iPhone, iPad, or another device linked to your iCloud account. Once you're in the app, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner. From here, you'll see your current location settings. Now, here's the key part. If you no longer want to share your location from your current iPhone and instead want to switch it to the new device, all you have to do is tap the Use this device as my location option. This will change the device that others track you from when using the Find My app. Once you've done that, anyone tracking your location will now see it from the new device you selected. It's that easy. Hope this helps. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I'll be happy to help you out.